Nurabahala Sansri, and I'm here with my second video from the DBMS question set series. So in this video, we'll be talking about the question set 2. So in my previous video, we talked about the question set 1, that means how to create a database from MySQL or HeidiSQL. So in this video, I'll be explaining how to create a database using either MySQL Workbench or HeidiSQL software, how to create using these databases, how to create a database in case of data redundancy. So this means that I'll be doing a normalization database over here. So now let's move on to our database question set. Okay, so this is my question set. So y'all can see over here, we have 4 questions to talk about. So first, we'll talk about the description that they have given for us. So first, they have given us the board of directors of Sandun Production has decided to include all their company information into a computer software. The software was commissioned by Kilina Gayatra Soft. You are the senior software engineer of this software development company, and your team has been assigned to create the database. Create the database needed to store information in this software. Now, this means that in the Sandun Production, they have a small company where all their details has been written on something like books and stuff where you can't keep them much longer. So now they want to add their company information to an computer software. So that's why they have commissioned the Kilina Gayatra Soft to do this. So I'm a senior software engineer of this Kilina Gayatra Soft. So now I should create these databases and these tables. So now let's move on for our first question. Now first is use Sanduna Production DB for the name of the database. So for this database, I'll be using my HeidiSQL. So y'all can see over here, I have loaded my HeidiSQL. Then, because I will be needing this name, I will go and copy this. Okay, so I'll go and copy this. So I will just keep it on mind then. Then, in a HeidiSQL, to create a database, first we should go to our main database name, that means our main name, then right click on it, then you should give create new and go to database. Then over here, you all will be shown a create database. Then over here, I should give a name, so I will give Sanduna. So here they have told, yes, Sanduna Production DB. So I will give Sanduna Production DB. So y'all can see the create code over here. So this is the query that you need to give while creating a database. Then I will give OK. Then when you give OK, it will be auto refreshed. Then when we go down, y'all can see the database that I created right now has been arrived over here. Then to create a table, we should go and click this. Because I don't have any tables, I won't be shown. So first they're telling me to create a table called employee. So now let's create this table. We should right click on top of our database, then go to create new and go to table. Then for our table, they are giving me the name called employee. So you all saw that. So I'll give employee. Then to add the data, they have given us the data types and the column names for this. So I will use these column names as registration number, then it's a Vata data type as Vata, then the length is 10, likewise first name as Vata 45, last name as Vata 45, then gender as Vata 10, then contact number as Vata 10. So now let's create these. So first I will add from here, then I will give my first name as no. Then they have given my data type as varchar. So I'll go here and give my varchar length as 10. Then I will give it as I will give it as null. Then I will give OK. Then I should make this an auto a primary key because I can't be able to duplicate these registration numbers. So I will right click on top of it and give create new primary. Then again I will give add. Then the next one is first name. So I will give first name and varchar. I will give 45. Then I will give this default as no default value. Then next I will give my last name. So I will give last and I will give name. So these data types will be the same. Now you again add. Then I will give my gender. Then for the gender I will give the length as 10. Then again I will add and give the contact number. Then I will give it as varchar length 10. Then to save this, I should give save over here. So when I click this, I have got an error called this won't be. Then what should I do is I should give null. So I'll give it as no default value. Now I'll give save. Then it will be saved. Then to take our database, we should go to our data. Then these will come like I gave. Then now they're asking to create another table called product. And for this product, I should give these details. So first let's make this. And when you want to create a data repetition and the product as a foreign key. So now we'll use ID. Then for the fourth question, let's use our MySQL workbench. For the product, I should give this. Now for our product, I want to go and click on top of this and give again create new table. Then for this, I will give as product. Then for our product, after I give my product, I should give my product ID. So I will give my product ID. So the product ID should be varchar. Then it should be varchar 10. So I'll go and double click on top of this and give 10. Then I will give this as no default value and right click on top of it and give primary. Then next as my product name. Then for the product name, it should be 45. Then I will give my product, my brand. So that is for our database and our tables. So now I will save this. Then the table including those data will become. So now let's check our fourth question. So in our fourth question, they have told what are the steps you can take to stop the data redundancy of our product table. So for this, I will use my MySQL. Now in our MySQL, y'all can see my Sandhuna production DB. Then to go to our model, let's do this. To go to our model, first we should go to database. Then because I have already created our database, I will give reverse engineer. So if you are doing from a model and you all know how to create the tables, then that's good because I'll be doing a synchronize in the last step. So if you are doing something else like a forward engineer, you should do something like the reverse engineer, but you should give up your password from the store in Vault. Then you should give next, 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 and next. And when you go to finish, that will finish. So now our reverse engineer, so for our reverse engineer, they will ask what is the database that you want to reverse engineer. So y'all can see this is already ticked. So I will give next. Then it will take a while. Then next. Then I will execute. Then place objects on diagram because I will be shown in an ER diagram. Then I will give finish. Then when you go down, you all can see the tables that I have made. So for our fourth question, they have asked how to data redundancies. So this is the normalization part. So to normalize our product table, we should delete our brand. So you all will know why I deleted it right now. Then we should create another table called brand. So this is all about a foreign. So the foreign key means that it reduces the data, which I include every time because who knows that I'm a man who gives the same product continuously for the same time. So I will give brand name for over here. Then to our story. Then I want to reduce my data that I have. Then only we need our relationships. Then over here we have our Crowfoot relationship. Then I will be using this as a one to many or many to one. So over here what we should do is a many to one. So this is because I want to show my brand over here and the brand without anything. So you all will know why did I put this. So this is because that I want to give many brands in my product. But how should I add a product in our brand? So that is something not normal. So if I tell it in normal words, it's not normal. So because I want to add many brands in our product, then because a product has a brand, so brand doesn't have a product, the product only has the brand. So that's why I gave it like that. Then when we go and give database and synchronize model, and when you stay a while and you can get next, then this will happen, then next, and retrieval complete successfully. Then it will show what did you change. Then when you give next, apply changes, then synchronize it successfully. So now let's check whether this works. So I will disconnect it right now and I will again give my password and join again. Now over here I'll just give open. Now I will give my product, and when I go to so I need to open it again. So I'll open it. Then when I give this, I will be going to my password giving process. Then y'all can see that when I go to my products and go to now y'all can see that the brand has been become a foreign key. So this is the emblem of the foreign key. So after that, when you give data in the brand, the data will be loaded over here. So this is it for the question set 2. I hope you all understood what I have been talked about here, and I hope you all understood the normalization part, and I hope you all understood the synchronization part also. So I'll be back with my next video, that means the question set 3. So until that, hang on, stay tuned, and have a nice day, and bye.